This is the Costway multi-fuel pizza oven, the NP11210. See that you'll have to secure the handles with the lip facing down. See the pizza oven inside, and you'll see the fuel type in the back. Currently I have gas installed. The legs fold down from the bottom. The vent simply comes off very easily. Just have to shake it. It just goes back on and tighten it. Press it down. Secure the vent by putting the lips inside and tightening the screws. You'll see this is the heat shield that's inside. You take that out if you're using gas. The gas just has two screws back. It's easily removable. If you want to use wood, you put the wood fire tray inside there, and this is the hopper. It simply installs with the 4 screws, and you install again the handle with the lip facing downwards. Did want to note that there's some instructions that are wrong. It tells you to use AA's in here. You can see also the battery it shows with the positive forward, but it's actually a AAA and with the positive backwards. Overall, I haven't used it yet, but it does come with the pizza tray, as well as obviously we've shown you the stone. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to show what it looks like because there's no videos online and there's no instructions or reviews online either, and it's just nice to be able to see what it actually looks like when it's fully put together.